today we have come from Munnar and have reached Kochi. After 3 days memorable and enjoyable stay at Munnar, it was time to head towards Kochi. And through days, beautiful lands and through dense forests, we headed from Munnar to Cochin on our 4th day. En route, we came across this beautiful place having this beautiful waterfall. The journey from Munnar to Cochin by road took us some 5 hours, and by the time we reached Cochin, it was raining very heavily. Good afternoon, friends. So today we have come from Munnar and have reached Kochi just now. We have checked into our hotel, which is Hotel Trident at Kochi. It is raining very heavily even in Kochi, and we got to know that it has been raining here since past 2 days as well. Let me give you a quick glimpse of how our suite looks like in Hotel Trident. So friends, this is the entrance of our suite at Hotel Trident, and here we have this ironing board and iron facility. Here it is the cupboard, and this is the inbuilt mini bar which is chargeable. This side is the washroom. This is an inbuilt mirror, and this is the inside. We have the bed, one table, and this is how the view from the balcony looks like. It's completely green and beautiful. So the name of the in-house restaurant in Trident Cochin is Travancore, which had this huge spread of breakfast buffet, which I wanted to share with you all. Apart from this set menu, we can also order from their a la carte menu. What is this? What is it made of? Banana. It's sweet?
Yes.
Is it a dessert or like, you can have it as breakfast? Banana and coconut?
Yeah.
Okay.
And jam.
Okay. Yeah. the island in which our hotel is situated is called Wellington Island. We had a sumptuous breakfast at Trident in the morning, and right now the rains have stopped and it is just the perfect weather to explore a port city like Kochi, because the humidity is also less and the weather is very pleasant. So friends, I have shared Kochi sightseeing in my previous video. The link to that video you can find in the description box. We visited famous tourist places like Jew Town, Fort Kochi, St. Francis Church, etc. And after the Kochi sightseeing, next day we headed towards the Cochin International Airport to say bye to Cochin and come back to our home city Mumbai. Kochi is called Queen of Arabian Sea. All throughout our 6 days itinerary in Kerala, both Munnar and Cochin, weather has been our greatest friend, and we really had a pleasant and memorable trip throughout.
In 600 meters, at the roundabout, take the second exit onto National Highway 966A.
And now we are inside the Cochin International Airport. Friends, in my first video of the Kerala trip, I have shown you the exteriors of the Cochin International Airport and have also shared that it is the world's first totally solar powered airport. Now, while we arrived at the departure terminal, I could show you the interiors as well. The airport is really well structured. You can see souvenirs which will remind you of your Kerala trip. Plus, the astonishing feature was that the sitting area was filled with beautiful chairs made of select wood. We also came across this gold shop and I wanted to share a glimpse with you all. And yes, some trips are just entrenched in your heart. Kerala trip was one such trip for me, with a heavy heart and not willing to leave the place so soon. I prepared my mind and myself to come back to my normal and routine life in Mumbai. But it has been a really beautiful and memorable trip in Kerala, both Munnar and Cochin. Friends, I hope you liked today's video. If yes, please share your comments in the comment box. Like the video, share the video as much as possible with your friends and family. And last but not the least, in order to stay connected with me and my channel IV Endeavours, please do subscribe to my channel. Bye for today. I will meet you very soon. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and